Hi cruisers, it's that time again as we continue with three more major stories. Norwegian Cruise Line shocks its passengers with a last-minute switch. A new tropical playground is unveiled, and we ask what's happening in Alaska. Norwegian Cruise Line just pulled a major last-minute switch in the Mediterranean. As of May the 20th, the Norwegian Gem abruptly dropped Koper in Slovenia from several summer itineraries, shaking up cruises that were supposed to sail between Civitavecchia in Italy and Ravenna. The June 14th and June 28th departures were hit first, with Koper replaced by either Trieste in Italy or Zadar in Croatia. Guests booked for September this year are reporting the same surprise changes. Norwegian Cruise Line hinted that port availability problems may be behind the chaos. Meanwhile, shore excursions in Koper are being refunded automatically as thousands of passengers scramble to adjust plans before the ship heads to Tampa in Florida on November the 1st. And don't forget to keep watching until the final story as Royal Caribbean upsets its passengers, but find out how shortly. Carnival Cruise Line just turned Roatan in Honduras into a straight-up tropical playground. On May the 20th, the cruise line officially unveiled the brand new Mangrove Bay pool area at Isla Tropicale, the destination formerly known as Mahogany Bay. And let me tell you, it's pretty massive. We're talking 48,000 square feet of pools, splash pads, swim-up bars, cabanas and daybeds right in the middle of paradise. Carnival Jubilee became the first ship to experience the upgrade, bringing over 6,600 guests to the island for the grand debut. The destination now features 52 shops, restaurants, bars and even a scenic chairlift. Carnival says it invested $93 million into Roatan, helping generate 1,300 local jobs and turning Isla Tropicale into one of the hottest cruise stops in the Caribbean. Alaska cruise passengers are seriously losing it after Royal Caribbean suddenly cancelled one of the biggest highlights of their trip. Guests on board Ovation of the Seas, which departed Vancouver in Canada on May 15th, were told they would completely skip scenic cruising at Hubbard Glacier and spend the day at sea instead. And the reason why? Well, because the ship now has to reach Whittier in Alaska early on May 22nd after a last-minute home port change from Seward because of ongoing port construction. And apparently, Whittier's one-way tunnel system forced the schedule chaos. Passengers reportedly chanted, "We want Hubbard on board," after the announcement. Royal Caribbean is offering onboard credit compensation, but many guests are crushed about missing one of Alaska's most iconic glacier experiences. And that's it for me today, cruisers. My name is Paul, and all the news you require is over on cruisehive.com. Now, if anyone has any news, you can email us at newstips@cruisehive.com. Please show your support by liking our video and please subscribing to our channel. I hope you have a good day, cruisers, and I'll see you in the next video.